Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita Roju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot. Today's motivational topic is you are the only king of your life, so you have to know better about yourself and you have to improve yourself. You don't need to worry about people around you, because sometimes they are good with you, and whenever you do any mistakes they are the first one who poke you. So don't feel bad about other people words, and allow them. If another people want to move on from your life, so allow them, let it go them, because you are the only person who love you and who lives with you. Thank you friends, please subscribe me and share my channel.